Good afternoon from Medellin, Colombia. My name is Ian. Welcome to Nomad Crib. Today, we're going to do a short little apartment tour. This is a rental apartment in the barrio or neighborhood of Provenza, which is the tourist area of Medellin. Let's go take a look. Okay, let's start this little tour. It's not going to take long. This is a 2-bedroom, but really well renovated. My friend Peter does a great job of these long-term lease rental apartments. As you can see, a beautiful kitchen here with 2 induction cooktops, dishwasher. I just have to mention there's air con for this apartment, which some people love for Medellin, even though it doesn't get too hot here. Okay, we have a dining room, beautiful living room, and let's go take a look at the rest of the apartment. Okay, here's the social bathroom, or the bathroom for the double bedroom. And this is the bathroom for this bedroom right here. Again, the entire apartment has aircon and TVs in every bedroom. And onto the master bedroom with a beautiful king-size bed. Again, this location is amazing. You're only 2 blocks away from the restaurant district, which is just down there. Conveniently located. And in the master, again, we have a nice ensuite bathroom, complete with rain shower. And here you have a really nice closet, spacious closet. Everything you may need for 3 months to a year for a longer term lease in Medellin. All right, let's go take another look at the kitchen and living room. And this apartment is outfitted with really fast internet, 150 to 200 megs, which for the city here is really good. And the owner has put in a stand-up desk with a monitor and other things you may need for your work. And then here we have the laundry. So you have a washer and dryer complete. Again, another look at the living room and the dining room area, and then you've got a nice deck. They've even included a barbecue, and again, powerful air conditioning. And again, this is an amazing spot because it's in the heart of the tourist district. 1 block down there is the restaurant district, and a few more blocks down is Parque Lleras, and just above Parque Lleras is the Provenza restaurant district. So, amazing spot. A little rainy today. We're in the rainy season right now, but it only lasts about 3 weeks, so not too bad. Again, one last look at the apartment. Newly renovated, ready to move into. There we go. I'll try and add some areas from the neighborhood here in this video, just to show what's available. This is Ian from Nomad Crib again. Thanks for joining us. This apartment is available for rent year-round if it's available.